Okay, so now we are assembling the airbox again, so we can put that back together, because now I got the things I needed to assemble it. Now we just need the rest of the airbox. Here guys, I've been working on the airbox, so I put it back together so it's ready there, and I've been working on the exhaust, try to polish it and make it look nice again. Not perfect, but better than what it was. I also managed to sand the tank. Lots of prepping. Not the funnest job, but just gotta do it. It's gonna be nice. So take care guys, I will see you around.